In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I go about doing presentations and create PowerPoint presentations and recording using Loom, which I covered in the Deal Entrepreneur channel, how you can use Loom to create videos like that, exactly how it's being done. So I'm creating a presentation about Deal Entrepreneurship, and then how I put together the guide, how I put the content, how I initially get the content written on a piece of paper, and then that's how I create a presentation, where you're about to learn exactly how I create a presentation. And you should be doing a lot of these if you're a blogger, if you're a real entrepreneur, if you want to get your sales message out. This is how you should be doing, and it's pretty easy to use PowerPoint and screen recording video like this to Loom, which exactly even when you're doing a presentation, some of the videos on the DLN channel, this is how it's being done. So I put the title on the first page, as you guys can see, and then let me see, I think I might have to make it a little smaller, because as soon as the video comes, and then I put it here, and then I make the title a little bigger. This is exactly how I go about creating the presentations. I get the content planned, written, put it together, do the research using ChatGPT 4, and paid version is actually good, because it helps to do the presentation better. And so I go about putting the details and the key features here. So this is how I go about creating presentation. And if you are a digital entrepreneur, if you are building a digital career, this is exactly what you should be doing. You got to get comfortable yourself coming in front of the videos and telling the story. There is nothing's going to be better than if you're a digital entrepreneur. And if you're part of the digital entrepreneur community, I highly recommend you get started with the videos. Nobody's born with doing videos, and it's about really practicing it and going about and like really practicing and doing it every single day. This is why I do videos already. A video went on this channel about online business, and what anybody can get started in Sri Lanka. So that video just went live, as I am doing the next presentation about how to the rise of digital entrepreneurship, my favorite subject at the moment. This is my favorite subject, where I create a lot of guides and where you learn in this channel. Make sure you like and subscribe the channel, so you are part of the digital entrepreneur community. So it is easier, this is how you create a presentation and adding yourself in a video, as you are seeing right now, and some of the presentations you can see on this channel. This is how I created them, and then I come and present it to you while using the Loom. So because the Loom is a good tool that gives the screen recording capability, and being on the screen is actually really gets you to tell your message in a better way. Like you're seeing me right now, you get to know me, Fernando Raymond. And if you're a real entrepreneur, you are marketing your business. And if you're a blogger, if you're teaching people, there is no other better way than doing videos and video presentations. And this way, creating a video presentation and coming and presenting it, it's the best way to get to let your audience know you. And eventually there are a lot of opportunities comes by doing this. So that's about it, like easy presentation created. And then what I do, I will fine tune it, I will tweak it, make the presentation nice. And if you really want, if I want help, I will just ask one of our graphic designers to make the presentation look and feel nice, put some images and things like that, which makes my presentation is ready to present. And I can go about and do the presentation pretty good. So this is the presentation. And when the Loom comes, let me see if I take off my video for a bit. Can I move this? Oh yeah, if I close the video, it's all works. So and oh, okay, it's all working. So second slide is ready, third slide is ready, fourth, fifth, and this I can make the size a little bit better. And I would get it, I would say 30. No, 28 sounds good to be on the first same line. even they want 26, maybe 26 would be fine. Yes, that came well. And essential skills and the conclusion, and this is how my presentation quickly done. And already by the presentation, so if I want to do a little bit of a design, I can add the design element over here, which is which gives me the design aspect. What would I like? Should I have this one? No, that's a video. That's also video. No, that makes it too heavy, but it looks actually good. I like it. So yeah, this looks pretty good. And yeah, that's how you create a presentation using PowerPoint. And then I'm going to come and present to you this presentation. So make sure on the next video on the Deal Entrepreneurship channel, you see this video. I present to you what I would do. I will actually, so this is done. So I will save this presentation on the downloads for now. Easily done. What was you say? So the presentation is saved. So this is my Word document which I had, which I already had the presentation printed as well to practice. So I've gone through it, and it's already, and this is also saved. So my presentation is good to go if I want to see the from the beginning. So this is the presentation, A Guide to Deal Economics and the Rise of Deal Entrepreneurship by Fernando Raymond. And I go to the second slide, and I can do the presentation to do the slide. This is how I will present, which you are about to see this video, which are nicely done and connected, how I do the presentation myself and present it to you. So this is already all good. And then about is practicing and coming and doing the presentation. So this is how you can quickly do a presentation. And as a deal entrepreneur, you need to learn how to do a presentation creation. And I hope this video got you a little bit of ideas, and you should be knowing how to do a presentation and present to yourself if you are building a digital business, digital brand. This is very important. Make sure you watch the video about how I present it, so you get an idea how I created it, how I did intro video, how I connected to using the Loom software, and how I add it up and do the presentation. And once below the video, the chapters and everything is going to be there. So Loom is a good software. Check it out as well, which you need to learn how to use that as well. So I'll see you in the next video.